Ah, yeah.
How are you?
Good morning! My name is Josh and today I will be vlogging my trip to Gumi where I'm going to check out LG's solar factory. But to start this whole trip, I'm in Seoul in an area called Youido. Hopefully you can see some behind me. It's a beautiful place right by Hangang River. And that, my friends, right there and there, these are the LG Twin Towers. These things are huge. Also, I've been told that we're gonna meet somebody named Carlin at the front here, and he'll be hanging out with us for most of today. So let's go see if we can find Carlin and get this show on the road. Okay.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good. Question. What's the future of LG Solar?
That's me. I'm the future of LG Solar.
Ah, great. What kind of customer should get LG Solar?
I think putting a solar panel on the roof is similar to buying a house.
Yeah.
It's the one-time decision,
Yeah.
but you have to live with it for many years.
Yes.
And in my opinion, a customer who values strong quality and brand, and who wants to maximize their benefits
Yes.
out of solar, I think those people are choosing LG Solar as their decision.
I see. That sounds like me. I have a question for you.
Okay.
What are the advantages of LG Solar, in your opinion?
We're a reliable company with a long history. And we have a good product quality. And we also have a global network of partners.
I see. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So Dongha, can you tell me, what's it like working in LG Solar? What's daily life?
That's good. Very good.
Very good.
Yeah.
That's good to hear.
Yeah.
What makes it so good?
It is such a nice park just in front of our office. There is a river, wonderful river.
All right.
And river,
Yeah.
just 5 minutes walk from our office. This environment make us comfortable to
Yes.
work hard. And whenever we want, we can relax.
Yes, relax in the park.
Yeah, right.
Also, we can get the power from sunshine during working, and then we can develop our idea for our company.
That's a great idea. Well, with that in mind, shall we take a walk and develop some ideas?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Let's go then.
Let's go.
Hey.
Hi, morning.
Hey, what's up?
Good. Hey,
How are you?
I know you're busy. Wondering if you have anything you'd like to share with our partners and customers around the world in these difficult times.
Yeah, sure. So right now, I think everybody is under a difficult situation due to COVID-19.
Yes.
So the most important thing is that we stick together.
Yes.
That we put together.
Yeah. Stick together, pull
Put
together.
together.
I like that.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, have a good day.
Thank you.